Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Meghna. Today's video is another unboxing of a monthly subscription box called the Blush Box. So if you guys haven't heard of it before or haven't seen my videos, I will link up a playlist here. You guys can watch it and get to know more information about this box and what sort of products they send monthly. I literally just received this box, so it's still in that packaging. So if you guys are interested to know what's in this little box right here, then please keep watching. So let's open this up. And also guys, sorry if my voice sounds stuffy, I am sick again. So this is how the blush box looks. I do find a difference in the packaging. Earlier it used to be this blue and like a baby pink. This is like a peach shade instead of pink, so I like that slight subtle change that they've brought in. And I'm wondering if the box is bigger. It's definitely heavier than the previous month. Now I'm really excited to see what's so heavy in it. Let's open this up. And first I find the cards. So this is their Valentine's Day special. Oh my god guys, I can already smell the fragrances in it. I think there are a lot of rose fragrances because it's Valentine's month. And this month's blush box is also titled as Rosalicious Valentine. Indulge your Valentine in the fragrance of love. So they have all the products listed here. I love the cute card that they've provided. So the first one is this In Nature Herbals Pure Rose Face Pack. This contains pure rose oil, almond oil and aloe vera. It's a daily nourishment pack for normal, dry and sensitive skin. This retails for 160 rupees and gives you 50 ml of product. Oh my god guys, this is a face pack. I love the ingredients. I think I've never been so excited about a blush box because this entire concept of rose and Valentine's Day is just getting me hyped up. So super exciting, can't wait to use this. I will update on my social media, so follow me there. Then the next one is I think a lip balm. This is a lip scrub by Elixir Secrets. Comes in this cute little pink tub. Oh my god guys, this rose fragrance just pulls me towards that product, and I think I'm just going to be highly biased in judging all these products just because I love this rose fragrance so much, and I'm sure you guys will love it too. This product has raw sugar, beeswax, rose oil, rose powder, food coloring, vitamin E oil, grapeseed oil, olive oil and coconut oil. This is paraben free, natural and cruelty free, which is amazing. This baby little right here costs for rupees 350. They haven't mentioned about the quantity. The next one is, oh my god guys, I'm almost gonna tear up because firstly look at this packaging. It's freaking baby pink, and the name of the product is Fairy Bath Dust. Like guys, I am a 5-year-old girl when it comes to these things, when it comes to fairies and pixie dust and princesses and all that stuff. I'm actually a 5-year-old girl when it comes to that. It's a very unique name and it's a powder. It's a beauty blend blush rose and gives you 100 ml of product. It's a big jar like this. The dust ingredients are relaxing oils, baking soda, mica, cornstarch, witch hazel, Epsom salt, sea salt, bath salt, citric acid and natural fragrance. This retails for rupees 499. Oh my god guys, they actually have dried rose petals inside. Oh my god, it just looks very pretty and very magical. Oh, can't wait to use it. Next one is this white tube, which is again in the fragrance White Rose, and it's an under eye gel by the brand The Nature's Co. Hydrate your under eye area, stimulate blood circulation, reduce fine lines, puffy eyes and dark circles, which is something I'm in dire need of. Still gonna smell it just for the heck of it because everything smells of rose here and it's just heaven right now. I feel like today is Valentine's Day, that's how I feel. Wow, I'm just loving this month's blush box. Like it has my heart, seriously. Next product is by the brand Bella Voste Ulti Matte Liquid Lipstick. Oh, it's a liquid lipstick. Comes in this silver box packaging. Whoa, and it's a color that I literally have in mix. Okay, this doesn't smell of rose. I will swatch it for you guys so you guys can see. It's a beautiful nude pink shade. I freaking love it. It's in the shade number 04 and it's called Cinnamon. And I actually got to choose this lipstick shade. They had given an option of I think 4 to 5 lipstick shades and I chose Cinnamon. Retails for rupees 599. They have really upped their game. They're giving all these full-size products, all quite expensive products, and I love the theme around it. So I've already received 5 full-size products if I'm not wrong, and this is the 6th one and it's wrapped in this gift wrapping paper. I wonder why. It's by the brand Fuchsia. This is their Blush Rose and Honey Soap Free Face Wash. I think I never realized I loved rose fragrance so much. It is so festive, it actually feels like it's Valentine's season. So this retails for rupees 150 and gives you about 30 ml of product. So it actually comes in a glass packaging. So guys, I received 6 full-size products, and the 1-month subscription of this box retails for rupees 399, and you're getting products worth rupees 2100 plus and a Valentine gift, which I'm assuming was the face wash because it was wrapped. Do I even need to tell you guys how in love I am with this month's blush box? It has my heart. I just realized that it's an amazing Valentine's gift, either to yourself. If you're a guy watching this, then this is like a perfect gift to your girlfriend, wife, mother, sister. Big thumbs up to Blushbox. I am obsessed with it. I think I'll just keep gushing over how much I'm obsessed with this month's theme. With that, we come to an end of this video. Do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Stay part of my notification squad, so press on that notification bell. This way you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every Wednesday and Saturday. And that's about it. I will see you guys very soon. Till then, stay happy, positive and blessed. Bye.
You are the icing on my cake. You are the smile I can't replace. You are